Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Thank you for staying with us. As we all know, winter is when we really miss freshness, vitamins, and a bit of color in our lives. So what can we use to recharge ourselves with goodness and bring some flavor and brightness to our days? The answer is simple: zucchini and courgettes.
Botanically speaking, they're classified as berries, but in the culinary world, we think of them as vegetables.
A medium-sized zucchini actually contains more potassium than a banana. Can you believe that? They're also packed with fiber, B vitamins, vitamin C, iron, carotene, pectin, and much more. On top of that, they're low in calories and almost never cause any allergic reactions, which is a huge plus. That's why zucchini are widely used in baby food, diet menus, and weight loss meal plans. So how do you store them? They keep really well in a fridge where the temperature is just right, though the humidity isn't ideal. So you won't be able to store them for more than 3 weeks. Definitely not in a plastic bag. That's all for today. But there's more to come. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones, and everything will be just fine.